Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me all Oppo Reno 10, and now I'm gonna show you how to improve your battery life on this device. First thing, to open the control panel and disable all unnecessary features. So disable Wi-Fi, disable Bluetooth, disable mobile data if you don't use it right now, disable location services, newbie share, and of course Oppo Share and NFC and portable hotspot. Then of course here we have LED screen, so we can enable dark mode to improve battery life, because our screen was created from thousands of micro LED lamps, and when the black color you see on your screen means that lamps in this place are disabled. So if you'll use dark mode in settings and in other applications, so it will really save your battery life. And the last thing you can do to improve battery life on your device is to open the battery in the settings and enable power saving mode. And of course you can enable super power saving mode, but in this mode you can use only 6 applications. That's it. If you wanna exit the super power battery saving mode, you need to click on the exit button, and if you wanna disable battery saver mode, you can do it using control panel. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video and bye. See you.